guys, welcome back to Haunted Legends. Today we are in a place called Southgate, North London, in London Borough of Enfield. So without further ado, let's take off. Be careful, we don't hit a tree. And yeah, we should be good. So what we're going to do is turn up to the max height and explore Southgate in London Borough of Enfield. So, turn up to the max height. Then we're going to do a 360-degree photo. Just done a drone flight in Wood Green, and now I'm here in Southgate. So let's do a 360-degree photo and then just explore this area. What we're going to do now, we're going to just explore the area. Let's go down there. We'll go down to this area. Actually, know what? It's behind us. So what we'll do, we'll go down to this area. Towards the where we're flying. Let's explore the green area first. Let's explore the neighbourhood of Southgate. See what's in this area. Just explore this neighbourhood area. Look at that nice green area. Alright, we'll do, turn around. Look at that train right there. That's going towards the station. Piccadilly line train. What we'll do, go up towards this area down here. Look at that amazing shot. Look at that, amazing. What we'll do, we'll turn back after. We'll go to the main area. I thought I'd do this area first because that's where I took off from. Let's follow something back like this black car. Got towards this area down here. Let's explore the main area. up here. This is the station area, as you can see. Let's get a static shot there. We'll get a 360 shot. We're actually between two boroughs right now. We're between London Borough of Enfield, which we're flying from, and then London Borough of Barnet is near this area as well. Right, what we'll do, go down towards this way, this neighbourhood area. There's a recreation ground down here. I was thinking of flying from there, but it's a bit lower down the hill, so that's why I thought of flying from where I am. Look at that, sick shot. Explore this area down here. What we'll do is start turning back now. Go to the station area. Let's get a shot in this area. We'll do go down towards this area down there now. Let's see what's down here.
I haven't sourced it and I haven't got some other effects.
Down there towards Arnold's Grove. So go down there. We're down there, but we just get a shot of this area down there. Where else we can go? Let's come back now.
Oh, look at the slide, it's like Nick.
Let's get a shot of this area now. Stay in this area. Let's go to the island. Alright, what we'll do, we'll go down towards here. Where else should we go? Let's go towards this side. It's quite busy down there, look at that. Looks like the petrol stations covered with solar panels, look at that. It's a 360 shot around this area. There's an Asda right here as well, let's get a shot of Asda. Why is the drone moving like that? I think there's some side winds. Kind of annoying, but we'll come back here. Let's get a static shot of this area now. I want to do on a stand from the middle. I want to try and go to the middle of the island. Alright, let's get a shot in this area down here. Where can we go? Let's go down this road this time. I haven't been down here. It's quite busy down there. This area. That's the green area. Let's go a little bit toward down this area. Follow this blue car back. Let's get a shot on this area now. Let's once more get a shot down there. Down this road down there. Look at that, sick shot. Let's get a shot of the street down there before we land. Look at that, amazing shot. That same blue car we followed is now going down there. Crazy. It's like we chased it. We did chase it. We tracked it. Anyway, I'm gonna land it in a minute. Let's just get a final shot of this area. What we'll do now, we're gonna land drone. See my shadow, look at that. Crazy, innit? Let's get a final shot of this bus. Look at that. You only get shots like this. Look at that, that's sick, innit? Let's track a car like this. We never done a shot like this. Actually, we kind of have. Let's land the drone now. Alright, so that was my amazing drone flight here in Southgate in North London, London Borough of Enfield. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll speak to you in the next one. Thank you for watching.